Hey, hope you're doing well. Shay Bar from IT team. In this short demo, we'll demonstrate how to create your own brand book. I bring you lovely Alice.
Thank you, Shay. Let's jump in. I'll run this agent. Please fill this form with your company details. In this demo, I filled it with MindStudio company details. Let me choose MindStudio logo. Now, I'll press Generate Brand Book. The AI agent will analyze the logo and suggest a color palette for us. I can choose whether to include or not any color. Next, it will offer us some typography customization. Here, I can select fonts for my brand book. Let me choose Sora for heading and WorkSense for body. I will confirm and continue. Now, we move forward to layout selection. Here, I can customize the density, corners, depth, and hero layout. You can see the changes in the live layout preview section. I will confirm and move forward to iconography. Shay, it's really fun. I love it. Let's see. What do we have here? I have style control. I can change the stroke style, the detail level, and woo, the metaphor style. Cool. I can see the changes take place in the live icon style preview. Now comes the most important section of this brand book, the messaging brand voice kit. The first part is the brand personality. Fill the core traits and personality for your brand. Below, you can see the voice description. I filled it with MindStudio's information from their site. Next, the brand pillars. You can add as many as you want. This should reflect your strength and capabilities. I did put some pillars based on my knowledge of this platform's capabilities and strength. All true. Next part is the value propositions. Same here, you can add as many as you like. Last part, we're nearly there. We can set taglines and microcopy. That means call to action. I filled it with MindStudio's CTA from their website. Let's see how it comes. I'm really excited. This is my first brand book. Oh, hello. We have the brand overview. Nice. Primary audience, core services. Under brand strategy, we have the core values, core palette with color usage guidelines. Our webmaster will love that. Typography, which is very useful as well. Typography guidelines, how to use it and where. Layout spacing with a grid system, breakpoint for mobile, tablet, and desktop. Do and don't with this typography. Even common layout patterns. Someone really put some work for this. Iconography with style guidelines. I see there is also a usage domain. Great. Again, do and don't when using icons. Last part, brand voice and messaging. All the information we provided with this agent and even messaging do and don't to keep aligned with our brand voice. I can see MindStudio's value propositions, proof points, and objection handling. This is smart. And last, example copy. You can, of course, download it and use it wherever you need. Enjoy!